Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you so much for tuning back in. So today I'm going to be doing a fridge clean out. I'm not doing a deep clean on the fridge, but I am going to do a fridge clean out. I'm going to also be tidying up the kitchen, and this space here is my workspace, school space, everything space. So I'm going to be cleaning that up. This kitchen, as you can see, is a disaster. So I've got to go through and get this all clean and tidied, as well as this is like some leftover food that I just didn't get to last night. So today I'm going to be tackling that this morning. And as I said to you before, I'm going to also be tackling this fridge. There's mail. There's just so many things I got to get to today in a very little bit of time. This is the inside of the fridge. As I said, I'm not doing a deep clean of this fridge. I'm only going to try to organize it because I have a grocery order that's coming tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to be going through and just wiping everything down, throwing things away that needs to be, that's expired, or that way I know for my next order what I need to put in for the new grocery order. So thank you so much for tuning in, and let's get started. So before we start, this is the other drawer. This is like the kids' drawer, all of their snacks and things that are in there too. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So first I have to unload the dishwasher so that way I can reload the dishwasher with everything that you saw in the sink. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. From my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. Remember I was
Okay, friends, you guys knew I was going to have him clean his plate off the table. That was from breakfast this morning. Comment below, what do you have your kids do as far as chores around the house? We do give him a couple chores, like he takes the trash out of all the bathrooms, he helps unload the dishwasher, of course he keeps his room clean. But any ideas that you guys have your kids doing that can add to that, maybe helpful towels or something, I don't know. Anyway, let me know below what you have your kids do at around this age, 8, 9. I would love to hear below.
and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times.
You guys, this air fryer, I do not know what life was like before this air fryer. It is so convenient. We use it at least, of the 7 days, we probably use it about 5 days a week because I put everything in there from steak to potatoes to French fries. I just love this thing. I don't know what I would do without it.
Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels a
Okay, you guys, starting here at this table gets a mess throughout the day. This is where we do schoolwork. This is where I work. This is where we eat dinner at night. This table is just a collection of everything since we've been in quarantine. It's really hard to really clean everything off because we need everything here. As you see, the laptops, the paper, the books, starting tomorrow. So I can just kind of straighten it up a little bit and just make it look a little more decent. Where do you guys do your work? Do you have a dedicated office? Do you have a dedicated workspace? I would love to know because it looks like we're going to be here for a little while longer.
Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but we're the...
So here I'm taking this Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to spray all the counters off and wipe everything down as you saw me using it early on.
Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you, think about me. Are we thinking this through? Even we know it to be, and you're doubting in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? Are we thinking this through? We know it to be, if you're not in me. Tell me what should we do?
If you've made it this far, I want to say thank you so much for watching Lofgren Life. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that ring bell notification, and that way you don't miss another upload. And comment below, tell me any ideas that you guys have. I would love to hear them. I feel like in the kitchen is where I clean every day, several times a day, and it's not just because of quarantine. It's just the nature of the kitchen where everybody like gathers together. So here I'm just going through some mail. I don't really go through the mail every day. That is one thing that definitely piles up. Most of our bills are paid online, and there's a few things that does come in the mail that I need to look at. Everything else just gets thrown away or either put in a pile so that way I can take care of it at a later time. Okay, you guys, so now moving on to the refrigerator. This thing is pretty empty. I'm just going through and just wiping it down and straightening some things up, throwing a few things away that are probably expired. I have a grocery delivery coming tomorrow, so I'm just gonna go through here and just take everything out of the fridge, wipe it all down as I said, and put it back in here neatly, and that way I really know what we have and what we don't have in case I miss anything on the grocery order.
Staying with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty.
Hey friends, as I'm cleaning this fridge out, I'm thinking everything that I bought in my last grocery haul, I have really been cooking a lot because there is hardly nothing that's left in here that I bought from the last haul. Because prior to the quarantine, I don't know about you guys, but I would buy things, but I wouldn't get to it. It would just sit in the fridge, it would go to waste, and end up getting thrown away. But in this quarantine, that is one plus because we are really cooking and eating in a lot, like 95% of the time. So I'm really cooking up everything that we're buying, so we're not wasting money. So comment below, are you guys also seeing that you're throwing away less food as well?
I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day.
Okay, you guys, so this is everything that's out on the counters. So now I'm gonna go through, look at Chase. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna, as I said, anything that's expired, throw it away, wipe everything down, and put it back in the fridge in a more neatly order than before.
I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style. No. I don't need your hang-arounds, your hang-arounds. No. I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah. That's all I really need. That's all I really need. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you.
Okay, friends, so that's pretty much it. I want to say thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below. Thank you. Bye.